let's talk about confidence limits for a difference in current requirement means. So I might want to compare tube number 1 to tube number 3, for example. So if my L is going to be of the form mu, say, I minus mu I prime, the corresponding L hat is y bar I minus y bar I prime, and my, say, 95% limits will be y bar I minus y bar I prime plus or minus t value pooled s square root of 1 squared over sample size I plus minus 1 squared over sample size I prime. If I then plug and chug here, there's my 8.3. We've got all of these sample sizes being 3, so I'll have a third plus a third underneath the square root. Using the same t-value, 12 degrees of freedom, upper 2.5% point, I've got here 2.179, and when all is said and done, this is about 14.77 microamps. So if I want to think about comparing, say, tube type I to tube type I prime by taking a difference in means, the corresponding, the margin of error on that difference in means is on the order of 15 microamps. For example, if I wanted to compare tube types 1 and tube type 2, if I look back on the data set, that means comparing or taking a difference between y bar 1 of 285 and y bar 2 of 301.67, and if I take the difference 285 minus 301.67 and hedge that plus or minus 14.77, this difference is minus 16.67, and you see the margin of error here of 14.77 is smaller than the absolute value of this difference, and I have a clear indication that tube type 2 has larger current requirement or mean current requirement than type 1. If I make a comparison, say, between say 1 and 3, returning to this set of y bars, I'd be taking a difference now between the 285 and the 281.67, and that comparison is not so obvious. So I'd take 285 minus 281.67, and I've got to hedge that by 14.77. This difference is about 3.33 plus or minus 14.77. And my point here is that now this margin of error is bigger than this difference that I'm estimating, and thus at the end of the day I have no clear indication of which mean is larger, or even if they are different. That is, a confidence interval for the difference mu1 minus mu3 contains or includes positive values, negative values, and 0. And so I don't really know which one of those two. I don't have enough data to see clearly which of those two mean current requirements is the larger one.